Skip, was he worth the wait or what?
Oh, definitely was worth the wait, Dib. It was just a great night in Washington. I was nervous for Steven Strasburg. With all the anticipation, it had to be weighing on him to go out there and throw those first few pitches. But he got through it, and he settled down. He made all of his pitches. It was just a great night for the Washington Nationals organization, period, and for our fans.
What was Strasburg's demeanor like in the dugout between innings?
He just very quiet, sitting back. He doesn't say much. He was very focused. He would have a little conversation with Pudge very briefly, maybe a little conversation with Steve McCatty very briefly, just taking in some information, but basically absorbing the whole moment and, totally focused, very, very quiet young man, not a type A personality type kid.
How big a pickup was that last night for Strasburg to lead you guys to the win?
Well, it was big because the wins have been coming few and far between lately, and we've actually pitched very good during that period of time. We've had a lot of guys pitch good: Adelano, Lannon, Hernandez. Guys have been pitching good, but we have not finished the game off. We haven't, gotten the runs in when we had a chance to add on. Last night, even though it was just one run, to add on that fifth run in the eighth inning was big. We've been leaving those runners out there. Now we should have got more. It was bases loaded, nobody out. We only got one, but at least when Caps went out there, it wasn't 3-2, it wasn't 4-2. It was finally 5-2 when he went out there.
What will you take away from yesterday? I'm sure you've had some memories from Kerry Wood's start, and there's different moments. I mean, I've never even been in the World Series. Experienced what I experienced last night, the standing ovation when the kid was walking in from the bullpen, them chanting his name after the game, and people that have been there for 50 years said they've never seen. Tim Kirkjian said he's never witnessed any kind of hype, and I don't even want to say hype. That's not the word. The word excitement, anticipation. Yeah. What will you take away from yesterday?
Well, yeah, just that. It's as you're watching it, it felt like playoff World Series atmosphere. And I've only managed the team in the playoff once. I've coached in the playoffs a couple times, and I don't know that the excitement around the ballpark matched last night. It's like these fans here in Washington who waited for baseball for 30 plus years. While baseball wasn't here, now, I think there's just a growing excitement, with Zimmerman and Desmond, with Strasburg and Storen, and we draft Bryce Harper. There's a great respect for our veteran players like Dunn, Willingham, Zimmerman. I think that the whole feeling around the ball club is just indicated by the way they excited by the fans last night, and it's got a chance to grow from there, and that's just a real positive aura around the ball club.